From head to toe. From head to toe.
Look, I can do this.
I am a penguin and I turn my head. Can you do it? You can do it. Whoa. I am a camel and I bend my neck.
Camel?
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
I bend my neck.
Oh.
How about this one? I am a buffalo and I raise my shoulders.
I make a buffalo.
I am a monkey and I wave my arms. I am a seal and I clap my hands. Good job. Don't wiggle the camera. I am a gorilla and I thump my chest. Hey, JT, you can go around it that way if you want to do it. Okay, but don't wiggle the camera. I am a cat and I arch my back. Arch. Oh, honey, you would have knocked it down. Okay. I am a crocodile and I wriggle my hips. What's the next one? Oh, I am a camel and I bend my knees. And this is everyone's favorite. I am a donkey and I kick my feet. Not kicking each other, right? One more kick. Oh, good job. I am an elephant and I stomp my feet. And
when I stomp his toe down.
I and I wiggle my toe. Can you do it? I can do it. I can do it. The end. Thanks, guys. Take a bow. Take a bow.